This is a picture of an Android phone and a USB-C to USB-A cable converter, and lastly, a wireless receiver. The wireless receiver was included with a full-sized keyboard. These devices will allow me to connect my keyboard to my cell phone. I will be using the Logitech K400 wireless USB keyboard. The keyboard does include a touchpad, so I do not need a mouse. The keyboard has a USB-A receiver, which means that I have to plug it into something in order for the device to receive the keyboard input. But I want to use my phone as a personal computer, and I want to be able to have a physical keyboard connected to my phone. In addition, I do not want to purchase a new keyboard, which is compatible with my phone, which may be something like a wireless Bluetooth keyboard. My Logitech K400 has a USB-A receiver, so I cannot simply plug a USB-A into my USB-C phone. So, I purchased a cable converter device from Amazon, which converts a USB-C device to a USB-A device. I didn't know if it would work on my phone, but it does. And it was very simple to set up and didn't require any additional software. To start, I will plug in the device. As you can see, there is a configuration pop-up. My keyboard, the Logitech K400, is listed. Then I click on Setup Keyboard Layouts, which was not required. But I am exploring the available settings. So, I select English. I primarily want to use my phone and keyboard for word processing. So I will open a word processor. Currently, I don't have any processing apps on my phone, so I will download Google Docs. To analyze how efficiently my keyboard, my phone, and Google Docs will work. Next, I will cast my phone to my TV. I want my setup as close to using a personal computer as possible. A television offers more screen coverage. Now I will wait for my phone to cast to my TV. Please note the following video has black and white filters in order to minimize any unwanted background images. So please excuse the color. At this point, I'm downloading Google Docs, and I want to use Docs as a standard word processing on my phone. My plan is to use my phone as a type of personal computer. Now I will open a Google Doc. I will show you what's on my phone, which is the same thing that's being mirror displayed or screencasted to my TV. There's the keyboard that I'm using. I switched the layout so that I can have a bigger layout on my screen, and now I will start typing something random. And this is what I'm doing on my physical keyboard, not on my phone. Even though my phone is being screencasted, I would totally recommend this setup to anyone who wants to use their phone to do any type of processing work, especially if a personal computer is not accessible. This setup is a convenient way to connect your Android phone to your TV while utilizing a physical keyboard.